Oh, that's shaky as hell. Okay. Big test for this. With as shaky as that is, that does not look like it's going to be at all usable footage. Well, let's get going. Oh my gosh. Well, I think this is a failed experiment already, because even when we're just going, that thing is still shaking to high hell. Yeah. You guys, let's go put this thing back in the box before it's any more used, because this is just that's a disaster. Because even once we get going with the regular mount on that camera stays pretty still, but you can see it is not still at all. So that's an F. That is a fail for if you're out there thinking about grabbing one of these batteries for this use specifically. Yeah, no, that's a not gonna work for you. So you're welcome if that was the point. And here's a couple things why this isn't gonna work or is not gonna work. Number one, now you've got all this weight, so it's top heavy. Number two is this clip here is kind of flimsy. I worried about whether or not that was going to end up breaking when it shakes. But the concern now isn't that it's gonna break. The concern is that I can't even use this footage, so we're gonna have to run this back. A couple things that I'll say about the battery. It did feel like the materials were sturdy enough. Like if I was gonna wear it on my helmet, I feel like it would be okay. But what I would say is that because of the weight, if you've got an adhesive mount on your helmet, it's just going to put that much more weight on your helmet. And so that's something that you should think about if you're considering using that for your helmet. The other thing you need to think about is it's rated for waterproof and dustproof. But what I'll say about that is that the little port where you have to open up to charge the battery, it's really hard to open up. This might vary on from battery to battery, but I had to get like a cloth and a pliers to open that thing, and it's a plastic piece, so that's the durability on that's questionable. We'll say that, even though that's going to help you with being waterproof and dustproof, you know, the trade-off is at what cost, because you know it's all plastic. Couldn't test out the battery life. I'm just going to return it, but that is a short video today and a failed experiment, but one that can come maybe at not the cost, but one that comes with a lesson, hopefully, for you if you were considering that refuel battery for your GoPro for this purpose, sole purpose. Because I think, again, just feeling the materials, that they weren't as bad as some reviewers on Amazon have to say, but at the same time, you know, if your purpose is like action sports, like biking, you know, whatever outdoor activities, you know, it's wintertime right now, snowboarding, all these things, I would say it's probably, it's gonna be a toss-up. And at $40, you know, for a 9-hour battery, and if you're shooting at like 4K, it said it was up to 4 hours of battery life, which is still, it was like more than 4 times. It's probably like 10 times the battery life that you of a normal GoPro, especially Hero 7, Hero 8, 5, 6, 7, 8 is gonna get. So that's all I got for you today. Hope you learned something. Hope you did. If you like this video, make sure you hit that thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Guys, if you're out there riding, please be safe, be kind to one another. My name is Eric. I'm that one guy, and I am